So I got my bike all set up. I got kind of a late start. It's about 10:30 or 11 right now. Leaving Tbilisi for the second time. Since I was injured in Batumi, I just took the train here, relaxed my knee for a bit. Hopefully my knee's fine. We'll see. So I'm just doing like a pretty easy 75-kilometer day today. It's like kind of like 50 miles. I'm gonna go to the border of Georgia and Armenia, and then I'll head down through Armenia the next couple days, get to Yerevan, the capital, pick up my microphone, and then instead of going straight to Azerbaijan, I need to go back up to Georgia again and then down into Azerbaijan because there's a land dispute between Armenia and Azerbaijan, so they just close up the borders. It's gonna take me even longer than planned, but that's all a part of traveling like this, is you can't really get too hung up on your plans changing because it will happen all the time. Yeah, I'm running late and I haven't even eaten food yet, so I gotta go pick up another like cheesy bread, khachapuri. I also forgot to cover up my bike seat, so this got all wet. You can't really ride on a wet brook saddle because it gets too soft and then you'll permanently warp it. So I just have to ride without a saddle for a while until it's completely dries. These also got wet too. I wasn't really thinking last night. I was just tired. I just went straight to bed. Okay, let's go. This would be my first day back on the bike. I actually don't really mind riding in the rain. I'd say there's no such thing as bad weather, just bad equipment. I'd say also a bad attitude too. But it's fine if you got the right gear, it's whatever. I actually kind of like it. I started cycling in Portland, Oregon, which is like rain capital of the United States, so I guess I'm pretty used to it. Where are you guys from? Switzerland. Switzerland? Cool. Arizona? Oh, yeah. Hey, Marcus. Marcus? Dominic. Dominic? Cool, Mikey. Where are you guys going?
To Azerbaijan.
Okay, yeah, me too.
Oh, nice.
Is it cool if I follow you?
Yes.
Alright, cool, sweet. Let's do it. I got Armenia and Azerbaijan mixed up. So they're going to Azerbaijan, I still have to go to Armenia first. So we had a nice little 2-minute ride. Здорово.
Здесь Грузия тебе хороший?
Хороший, да, да. Красивая.
Красивая, да?
Спасибо. Fuck, I really don't know what to do here. Fuck. Fuck, I have no idea what to do here. So just ran to one store to get some cardboard boxes and plastic and napkins to help the pups, and then had to go like down to another town just to grab food because the only thing that's sold here is like duty-free stuff. So I got some fish and bread. I talked to one of the people at one of the stores, and he said I can contact the police tomorrow and they'll do something. I hope it doesn't mean like put them all down, but I'll just figure out tomorrow. The Armenian border is right there. That's where those lights are. It's the Armenian border. But looks like I'm camping here tonight. I found one dog out here with the tick, like it was that big, and all it wanted was attention. It didn't even want food. And then I found another dog with like a severed leg that it was just dragging around. And then I find this afterwards. So I didn't want to like show this part of the trip, but after seeing this, like I feel like this is something I feel like it's about time I include this in the video. So I just woke up to some military guys rolling down this road here, and they asked me like what I'm doing, and they saw I had all the puppies, and they asked me if I had like bought the puppies. I'm like, no, I found them on the road. They took my passport and just verified that I was an American tourist because I'm right at the Armenian border, so it's just a little sketch to be camping here, I guess. But they were so cool. They didn't want me to film or anything, but they're super friendly. They said they were going to take the dogs, and the head guy, he said he was going to take all the puppies to his home and raise the dogs with his own dogs. So that was like the best outcome that could have happened. All night I had to keep getting out of my tent and going to the box because they kept walking out of the box and trying to get into my tent. I had to keep putting them back into the tent, and they would get lost and then get all cold and scared, and then I had to get back out, put them back in the box, put more napkins in there for insulation, and it was just nonstop. I didn't get like any sleep. Yeah, they're gonna be raised with a bunch of other dogs and be totally fine now because this whole place is just turned into a mud pit. Like this bag of food and this bag of food, I don't want to put that in my bag, but I don't know where else to put it. This is all full of mud too. I gotta get a stick and pull that all out. I'm all grody as well. This bag's all nasty. My gloves are completely soaked. I have to wear wet gloves. It just hasn't stopped raining. I don't know what's going on. It's spring, that's what's going on. Just made it into Armenia. The mud's literally coming up to like my ankles when I'm pushing my bike through. There's like no way I can actually traverse these roads, and I heard it's like this for the majority of the country right now, so screw Armenia. I like to check it out, but this is not worth it whatsoever.